Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Jacinda Fidela Rahmadewi. My student number is 14 and I'm from 9th K class. So, in this video, we are going to make fried potato. Let's go! To make fried potato, we need 4 potatoes, 1 onion chopped, 1 green bell pepper seeded and chopped, 3 tablespoons frying oil, 3/4 teaspoon paprika, 1 teaspoon salt, 1/4 teaspoon ground black pepper, and 1/4 cup chopped fresh parsley. Firstly, boil the potatoes with salted water until tender but still firm, about 15 minutes. Before this, we have to drain the potatoes. Now they are already cool, so peel and cut them into half-inch cubes. Heat 1 tablespoon frying oil. Over medium-high heat. Then add onions and green peppers. Cook about 5 minutes, stirring often until soft. Transfer to a plate, set aside. Pour 2 tablespoons of oil into the skillet and turn heat to medium-high. After that, add the potato cubes, the paprika, salt, and black pepper. Cook, stirring occasionally until the potatoes brown, about 10 minutes. After that, stir in the onions, green peppers, and parsley. The smell is good. I think it's ready. Time to plating. This is it. From Jacinda
Fidela Rahmadewi. Serve hot. Thank you for watching. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.